12 of those.
What?
12 of those, what?
It's not 12.
See, it works.
Great.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Oh, yeah, I guess we need to
The fog was covering up the road. Well, on the morning that you had to go, and the fog was covering up my mind.
These are great.
And the
These are great. These are the ones we found the other day. I want to use these poles to do some kind of trellis for them, but before I do that, I'm gonna measure these and do some kind of 3D printed deal to make them mix together. And then I'm gonna tie the grapevine to it. Some T-junctions or something. Some way to do it like that without just tying it together, because that'd be boring. Figure it out. But first, we have to feed the hummingbird. Let's go feed some birds.
And darling, oh, I love you so. I wish you'd stay.
This is what our plants are looking like. That's a grapevine. I think it's doing okay. The other ones aren't so happy, as you see. And this is our azaleas. They're doing okay, I guess. You know, they're still green. They don't all look rotten. There's this guy looks pretty rotten.
And I drive myself crazy every day.
That's the hummingbird feeder. The idea is that I wanted it to be something simple that we could print that's just gonna mount under, because initially I wanted something that was gonna fit in there, that was gonna allow for hanging the guy way out here. I wanted something that was going here, that was gonna hang it out. I've said that 15 times before I keep getting interrupted by technical difficulties. But instead, we're gonna go over here with the 3D printed hook, and I wanna, I don't know, I guess something like that. Mount it, and then put this guy up there. I don't know if it's gonna hold it though with the water and everything, so we'll see about that. It's kind of got a spring to it with the way the circles are. Cool. Whoa!
what?
The big scary spider up there. Okay, so the friendly spider elected to leave on its own accord. Oh no! I broke it. Okay, folks, 3D printing isn't like perfect. Feed the birds, bucket of sugar. All right, there you have it. The 3D printed janky solution to hummingbird feeder hanging. Yep. I wonder if they're even alive right now. Awake. Hummingbirds hibernate.